And the race on Never Say No Joe, one slow out the favorite Quattro Supra. And on the outside, Mystic Dragon Hoy Tamana rushing Unbraceable. Polar Express is running second last and Quattro Supra is the early trainer by about 8 or 9 lengths of the leader. Embraceable, number 4, leads by some 4 lengths followed by Hoy Tamana. Mystic Dragon is racing in third by a length and a half. Polar Express and running second last Never Say No Joe, and Quattro Supra is still running at the tail of the field, working towards the back. Embraceable by some 3 lengths followed by Mystic Dragon. Hoy Tamana is down on the inside. Polar Express racing in fourth by some 2 lengths. Then here comes the favorite Quattro Supra is getting closer in fifth position. And rounding the far turn, Embraceable by 3/4 of a length, Mystic Dragon, Polar Express, Hoy Tamana, Quattro Supra is rushing up from the outside. Mystic Dragon, Polar Express, fighting it out for the lead. And Quattro Supra is now racing in third, racing towards the final turn and into the exciting and long Santana stretch run. Polar Express, Mystic Dragon fighting it out for the lead. Quattro Supra is racing from the outside. Hoy Tamana, Embraceable, Never Say No Joe. And nearing the finish line, Polar Express by some 4 lengths now. And finally, Polar Express, Mystic Dragon, Quattro Supra, fourth. Hoy Tamana, Embraceable, and Never Say No Joe.